Hey everyone! Welcome to HaiEduTech. Let's master English and coding the fun way. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. HaiEduTech, it's me again. And let's have something fun with Python today. Well, as you can see on the screen, we have a topic like ask for the user first name and display the output message, hello and first name. So this is one of the most basic things that we're gonna do to learn something about Python today. Okay, so we have two tasks to solve here. The first one is ask for the user first name. So I will have a variable called first name to let the user input their name. So I use input and I will have questions like what is your first name? Yes. And as you see that name should be a string, so I add string here. Okay. And yeah, that's it for the first task that we're gonna do. And the second one, display the output message, hello first name. So I will use print to display the output to the screen. So I say print hello, and here I have first name. Yeah, that's it. Easy, right? So now let's run the code to see whether we are successful. Yeah, bingo. I had a questions. What is your first name here? And I type in hi. And yeah, I got the answers. Hello, hi. However, I noticed one small mistake here. The name and the question stay too close to each other. So I want them to have a little space here. So I will go back to the this slide and add a little space after this. Okay. And I run the code again. Yeah, that's it. So now when I type my name, it doesn't stay too close to the question. Okay, and I have hello hi is printed out. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, so let's try it yourself and tell me your final result. Okay, so this is the first lessons and I'll see you back on the second exercise. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.